connect a USB drive to your Samsung TV, we're going to plug it into one of the available ports on the back. This TV has 2 ports, it doesn't matter which one it goes into. And then after a few seconds it will come up with, do you want to view your files? And I'm just going to go enter this button here. And now it will load all the files up and you can click on which one you want to watch. So you can move around using the arrows here, and then if you were to press enter, it will start playing that particular file. You can pause, fast forward and go back up the top there. When you're finished you can press return, and to safely disconnect it we're going to press the source button and we're going to go over to Ultra USB, that's the name of this one here, yours will be called different, and we're going to go down and down again, and it gives us an option to remove USB device. Press enter and now we can safely remove the device and use it again on your PC or laptop. Thanks for watching.